Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 231. Which tense expresses a future action that will be completed by a specific future point in time? A. By next month, I save enough money for the trip. B. By next month, I will save enough money for the trip. C. By next month, I will have saved enough money for the trip. D. By next month, I am saving enough money for the trip. Correct answer, by next month, I will have saved enough money for the trip. Future perfect tense. Question number 232. Which tense describes a past continuous action that explains a past consequence or state? A. The roads were wet because it rained heavily. B. The roads were wet because it had been raining heavily. C. The roads are wet because it rains heavily. D. The roads will be wet because it will rain heavily. Correct answer, the roads were wet because it had been raining heavily. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 233. Which tense is used to describe general facts or universal truths? A. The earth is round. B. The earth is being round. C. The earth was round. D. The earth will be round. Correct answer, the earth is round. Simple present tense. Question number 234. Which tense describes a progressive action that is happening at the moment of speaking or is ongoing temporarily? A. I read a novel. B. I am reading a novel. C. I read a novel yesterday. D. I will read a novel tomorrow. Correct answer, I am reading a novel. Present continuous tense. Question number 235. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, with a definite past time reference? A. They finished their work an hour ago. B. They finish their work now. C. They are finishing their work. D. They have finished their work. Correct answer, they finished their work an hour ago. Simple past tense. Question number 236. Which tense is used for predictions about the future based on personal opinion or belief? A. I think she wins the game. B. I think she is winning the game. C. I think she will win the game. D. I think she won the game. Correct answer, I think she will win the game. Simple future tense. Question number 237. Which tense connects a past action to the present, focusing on the experience rather than the specific time? A. I visited New York. B. I visited New York last summer. C. I am visiting New York. D. I will visit New York. Correct answer, I visited New York. Present perfect tense. Question number 238. Which tense describes a past action that was in progress when another action, typically shorter, occurred? A. While he slept, the phone rang. B. While he was sleeping, the phone rang. C. While he has slept, the phone rang. D. While he sleeps, the phone rings. Correct answer, while he was sleeping, the phone rang. Past continuous tense. Question number 239. Which tense indicates a future action that will be in progress at a particular time in the future? A. This time next year, I work on a new project. B. This time next year, I will work on a new project. C. This time next year, I will be working on a new project. D. This time next year, I am working on a new project. Correct answer, this time next year, I will be working on a new project. Future continuous tense. Question number 240. Which tense describes an action that was completed before a specific past event, showing chronological order. A. When I arrived, they already ate. B. When I arrived, they had already eaten. C. When I arrive, they eat. D. When I arrived, they were eating. Correct answer, when I arrived, they had already eaten. Past perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.